To hide files in Google Pixel 11, first of all, we'll need to open Settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down until we find Security and Privacy, and then we can scroll down until we find Private Space. If you click on it for the first time, it will guide you to the setup. I've made a dedicated video on how to set up Private Space, so if you're interested and need help with that, you can watch it on my channel. And then when your private space is created, you can access it with the app drawer on the bottom right here. You can lock it or unlock it with your password, and then we can click on this plus button and add files to hide. So for example, let's add those 3 screenshots right here, and then we want to specifically move them. If you copy them, they will remain in your files normally, they won't be hidden, but if you move them, they will be placed in your private space, which means to access them, you will need to always open files right here, and then they will be hidden when you lock your private space. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.